Blackstone griddles, 28 inches for $2.24 here at Walmart today. I want one of these so bad. And they also have Blackstone cleaning kits and griddle covers. And they also have these Lodge cast iron Dutch ovens here for $52.12 at Walmart. I really want one of these also. And look at these beautiful colors. There's like a blue and a cream color. And here's a bunch of other Lodge cast iron cookware that they have here at Walmart. I really want one of these Lodge iron griddles. These are like a really thin, shallow pan. These are perfect for making crepes and frying up eggs and things like that. They also have these larger seasoned cast iron skillets made without forever chemicals for $31.18. Then they have a cast iron grill press. This is like for pressing burgers. These are $20.78 right now at Walmart. Lots of great cast iron finds. Oh my gosh, look at, oh, I thought this was a wok, but that's pretty cool shape. And these are really fun. These are silicone ice cube trays that make spheres. So if you want like little ball ice cubes, those are really cool for $4.97 here at Walmart. And I really love Corelle plates. These are like basically non-breakable. And look at this beautiful design, these blue and white with little hearts. I really like the blue and white theme right now for kitchens. They also have these blue lined bowls. I have a lot of these bowls. And oh, look at the red, that's cool. They're a pretty good price here for a set. Is $38.58 here for Corelle at Walmart. And I'm seeing a lot of this brand, Just Feed Me by Jessie James Decker. I've never heard of her. If you have, let me know in the comments below. But look how many cute things. She has a lot of strawberry themed cookware that's non-breakable too. So it's perfect for outdoor entertaining here at Walmart. Here's more of her items. These are water pitchers. And look at, they got the cute little strawberry theme there. And then even more, like she has a lot of these non-breakable cups. These are cherries, little pasta bows, that's cute. Here's the little set of stirring sticks, strawberries, pasta bows. And if you've never seen this before, this is the Ball Blue Book. They've been making these for 38 years. This is the 38th edition. This is a guide to preserving from the Ball brand. These are actually collectibles. I've seen so many of these over the years. I even have one from like the 1930s, I think, of just pressure or canning using Ball brand jars. So pick yourself up one of these and keep it because it's definitely going to be worth something probably in the future. And here's more of that Just Feed Me by Jessie James Decker. She's got all kinds of little molds, silicone molds with strawberries, cherries, pasta bows, straws, drink cups, even utensils. Super cute.